Here are today's biggest stories in tech. Samsung has officially released their new Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra models. Reviews highlight significant refinements, bringing the foldable form factor to its most mature state yet. The updated design and hardware promise a much improved user experience, solidifying Samsung's leadership in foldable smartphones. Researchers express skepticism regarding Anthropic's new invisible watermarking for AI-generated content. While intended to curb AI misuse, some experts believe these methods may not be robust enough against sophisticated attacks. This raises critical questions about the effectiveness of current AI content authentication techniques. New research suggests that reinforcement learning for LLM reasoning is primarily about sparse policy selection. This indicates that rather than learning new capabilities, LLMs are improving by selecting existing, more effective reasoning paths. The findings could lead to more efficient and targeted training methods for advanced AI models. An individual in California has become the first anti-AI protester to be jailed, following actions against OpenAI. The protester delivered a message urging people to regain your humanity amid growing concerns about AI's impact. This event underscores increasing societal tensions and policy debates surrounding artificial intelligence development. Netflix is pushing Dolby Vision content, exclusively available to subscribers on its top-tier premium plan. Accessing this enhanced visual experience requires compatible hardware, including specific TVs and streaming devices. This move aims to differentiate the premium offering through advanced display technology and higher fidelity streaming. A new utility named EasyDMG promises to simplify app installation on macOS, eliminating the traditional drag-and-drop method. This software streamlines the process, making it easier for users to manage and install applications. It addresses a long-standing pain point for many Mac users seeking a more intuitive installation experience. Nintendo's GameCube discs were intentionally small, a unique design choice in console history. This compact format allowed for faster load times and physical advantages in console design. It highlights an interesting engineering decision that prioritized performance and form factor in gaming hardware development. Academic research papers are increasingly using euphemisms like kidney disappointment instead of kidney failure. This shift in terminology impacts the precise communication of scientific and medical findings. It raises questions about data clarity and standardized language in research, which could have implications for AI-driven analysis. That's your tech for today.